A closure is a function that remembers the variables from its outer scope even after that scope has finished executing. Outer function runs and defines message. Inner function is returned, but it remembers message even after outer function has finished executing. When my closure is called, it still has access to message, even though outer function is no longer active. Closures work because of lexical scoping, meaning inner functions have access to variables in their outer functions. The JavaScript engine remembers the environment where a function was created. Outer executes once and returns inner. Inner still remembers count from outer. Each time counter runs, it updates the same count variable, proving closures maintain state. Closures help hide variables so they can't be accessed directly. Secret is private because it exists only inside createSecret, but is accessible inside revealSecret. Closures allow us to create multiple instances of a function with different values. Double remembers factor equals 2, while triple remembers factor equals 3. We can create custom functions on the fly.